Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So guys, I would like to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We have recently reached 1000 subscribers. So guys, I wouldn't do that without you. Thank you so much for taking your time, like to watch the videos, to share and all that. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you guys are trying the businesses out, and I hope that for those who are trying the businesses, they are actually working out for you guys. So as I was surfing the internet today, I came across this site, or you can say a company. So this company is called Afrimart. So they are based in Midrand in Gauteng. So what I will do is that I will leave all the details on the description so that you can be able to go through, so that you can see what I saw today. So basically they sell a lot of stuff, guys. I've been surfing for more than 1 hour or two, and then I couldn't finish all their products. That's how much they have there. So like they have a lot of things. So like they've got machineries that you can use to start a business. You've got things that you can use to boost your business. They've got a lot. I'm talking about tower cranes. They are also selling tower cranes there. They are also selling what you call these mobile cranes, those like those ones which can be able to carry objects of about 25 tons. So they are selling it there. So basically those products are from China. So when you buy from that company, you will have to wait for about 40 days, 35 to 40 days. But then as you go to their website, you will see what I'm talking about. So guys, what I saw there, I saw a lot of things that we can do, or we can use to actually start businesses. I've seen machines that you can use to actually manufacture shoes, manufacture socks. You can I've seen a lot of things there. So I'm thinking that we'll start to actually go through those products. So basically that is what we are going to talk about in videos to come, to actually explore what they are selling there. Because guys, there's a lot of things that I've seen that if we can try it out, if maybe you can just buy those things and start to like to start a business, I think it can actually work out for us. So yeah, I will leave the details, the link, so that you can be able to go and browse through, so that you can check it out yourself. What I like is that it is also in South African currency, so there's no need for you to do all the conversions and calculations. Everything is in South African currency. So yeah, I think you should go and check it out. Yeah, so I will leave the link on my description, and then on the next videos we'll be discussing what I saw there, what I think it will work for us as South Africans and also as Africans, because at the end of the day we know how difficult things are. So we need to start creating to start businesses and create jobs for others. So yeah, I will see you on the next video. I hope you go and check it out, and please do enjoy the rest of your weekend. Goodbye.